Using the remote, you can customize the session. To turn the blanket on or off, simply press the power button. You can toggle between different time settings. A 30-minute session at full power delivers 20.7 joules per centimeter squared. This setting provides a slight warming effect over time, ideal for clients who want deeper light penetration. The 60-minute session at reduced power delivers 3.78 joules per centimeter squared, making it a cooler option for clients who prefer a gentler experience. The remote also allows you to isolate wavelengths. You can select either 660 nanometers red light or 850 nanometers infrared light if a client has a specific preference. Keep in mind that infrared light is invisible to the human eye and is registered by the body as heat. Additionally, the blanket features pulse mode, which delivers intermittent bursts of light. If using this mode, ensure your client does not have epilepsy. There's also breathe mode, which provides calming, rhythmic pulses of light, an option that is also studied in scientific literature. During the session, always monitor the client's comfort. Afterward, encourage relaxation and hydration.